Hello everyone. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let's take a few moments to talk about how to start your day in the best way possible. A beautiful day doesn't just happen, it's created. And the way you begin your morning can shape everything that follows. So, let's make today amazing, together. First things first, when you wake up in the morning, don't rush. Don't jump out of bed. Instead, take a deep breath and smile. I know, it might feel strange at first, but trust me, it works. Imagine this, you're waking up to a new day full of opportunities. Smiling, even if just for a moment, tells your mind, today is a fresh start, and I am ready for it. It's like giving yourself a little gift of joy before the day even begins. A smile can change your mindset and bring positive energy into your life. So, next time you wake up, try it, just smile for a moment and see how it makes you feel. Now, let's hydrate. After hours of sleep, your body is in need of some water. You might be surprised at how simple things like drinking water can make a huge difference in how you feel. When you wake up, drink a glass of water. Not only does it help you feel more awake, but it also boosts your energy. I recommend keeping a glass of water by your bed so it's the first thing you do. Think of it as a mini ritual to start your day. Water helps clear your mind, wakes you up gently, and prepares you for the day ahead. And remember, the more you drink throughout the day, the better you'll feel. Next, let's stretch and move. You don't need to do anything complicated, just stretch your arms, your legs, and take a few moments to move your body. Movement is important because it wakes up your muscles and helps get your blood flowing. You can do a quick stretch in bed, or even stand up and reach for the sky. If you have the chance, step outside for a few minutes. The fresh air can do wonders for your mood. Take a deep breath, look around, and enjoy the simple beauty of the morning. A little bit of stretching or fresh air can help you feel energized and ready to take on the day. Once you're feeling a bit more awake, let's talk about planning. I know sometimes it feels like a big task, but I promise, it's easier than you think. Take just 5 minutes to think about your day. Write down 2 or 3 small things you want to do. Keep it simple. For example, you could write, take a walk after lunch, finish one task from work or study, or call a family member. These are simple, small steps, but having them written down will give your day some direction. It's like giving yourself a gentle map for the day. By setting a little plan, you're taking control and making your day feel less overwhelming. Now, let's talk about breakfast. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. A healthy breakfast can really set the tone for how you feel and function in the morning. I'm not talking about a huge meal, but something small and nourishing. Maybe you'll have some fruit with yogurt, a piece of toast with avocado, or some eggs with veggies. What matters is that you're fueling your body with healthy, clean food. This is your moment to give yourself the energy you need to feel good all morning long. It doesn't have to be fancy, just something simple that makes you feel good. Finally, before you dive into your tasks, take a moment to relax and enjoy the peace of the morning. Whether it's listening to your favorite music, reading a short story, or just sitting quietly with your thoughts, it's important to give yourself a moment of calm. Starting your day with some quiet time sets a peaceful tone for everything that comes next. This is your time. Don't rush, don't stress. Just enjoy the calm before the world gets busy. Remember, taking this time for yourself doesn't make you lazy, it makes you strong. It gives you the energy to be the best version of yourself for the rest of the day. So, remember, creating a beautiful day starts with a beautiful morning. Smile, hydrate, plan, stretch, eat well, be grateful, and relax. These simple steps will help you feel ready for whatever comes your way. Take care of yourself, and let today be filled with positivity, love, and energy. Have an amazing day ahead.